Okay, that's that. The other ECM there. Elevator now, going right through the same. Oh wait. Okay. These together. Line up. Slide them in. One's in. It's right behind it. Self alignment. Alright. Something on the way. Okay. Alright. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to get the battery plugged back in. That would be really good. Here's the light. Okay. Start that. Add back up again. Yeah, it's nice. We're back up in the 40s again. We had a white Christmas. Now we're back to green. Back to green again. Alright. Get her started up again, maybe. I hope. Okay. I hear the fuel pump working, which is good. Falling down on me. What the heck? Alright, straighten up. Okay. Alright. Okay. Good location for you. Okay. I don't really need that now. Right. Oh, I had to. Okay. Everything's on. Still got an anti-theft light. But that's a new one. No kidding. You see that? I don't have an anti-theft now. Anti-theft light went out. Sweet. Yep, all because of the new ECM installed. So it tells me right there it's got to be it's going to have to be reprogrammed. So now I'm back to my original problems. That's great. Now I know I don't have a anti-theft. Awesome. Okay. That is that's great news. Okay, now I'm back to my original problem of no fuel. So, what I got to do is I'm going to have to jack that key off here. What I got to do now, other way. Okay, again. Okay, what I want to do now is I want to get that cam sensor, which is that plug right there, and the way it's underneath that reservoir, which is your power steering pump, actually, power steering pump and reservoir. So, unfortunately, what I gotta do is I gotta jack up the motor a little bit, and I gotta pull those engine mounts out of the way, because there's a bolt that's down on the other side of the pulley there, and I'll loosen that up so I can get underneath and get that crank sensor out of there. So from that point, if that's not the problem, I gotta keep searching, find out, because the fuel, I smell fuel, which means the fuel rail, the fuel injectors are not opening like we said. So anyway, there we go. Carry that in my hand, but anyway. All right. So you are up to date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Project Chevy.